tayo po lahat ay Bangsamoro. Sa panawagan ng ating mahal na Chief Minister, Ahod Balawag Al-Haj Murad Ibrahim, sinabi niya, "No one shall be left behind. And with you performing your duties and responsibilities, you are already letting people go on board dito sa ating kampanya para sa kalusugan." And with the leadership of the Cotabato Regional Medical Center, the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, of course, ang ating magaling na medical center chief, si Dr. Mickey Dimaren, at saka yung kanyang assistants, si Dr. John Maliga, sa lahat po ng kumakatawan ng ating maganda at ipinagmamalaking hospital ng Bangsamoro, although hindi po siya under the Bangsamoro government, pero kiniklaim natin na ito po ang window, ang show window ng ating services, ito ang show window ng ating technological development, ito po ang sentro ng ating training, ito po yung sentro ng ating educational advancement in terms of medicine, surgery, pediatrics, OB-GYN, radiology, and all the disciplines of medicine. Ngayon, nakikita ko, mukhang madadagdagan ang ating mga caretakers of mothers, ang ating midwives, nurses, and all frontline health workers na may kinalaman po sa ating kalusugan. Panghuli, hingiin ko po na magkaroon tayo ng connectivity. Let us know what you need, and let us know how we can cooperate. The Ministry of Health under my term shall be open, shall be responsive, and shall be in contact with you.